You'll see very little happening on our satellite on Friday with sunny and sizzling hot weather over the western part of South Africa. You'll see thunder showers forming mainly over the northeastern parts. As we zoom in over that part of South Africa, you'll see thunder showers for Gauteng, Mpumalanga and Limpopo on Friday afternoon. Now we're expecting a slightly cooler day over the extreme western part of South Africa on Saturday, with the possibility of fog along the west coast. Sunny and hot as we head further inland with a high fire danger rating over parts of the northern and western Cape. And we're expecting a narrow band of thunder showers over the northeastern and eastern interior. Strong winds gust along the eastern Cape coastline with an onshore component to the wind along the west coast, and we're forecasting moderate wind speeds for Gauteng and the northwest. You'll see a warm to hot day throughout KwaZulu-Natal with highs in the upper 20s and low 30s. It'll be a predominantly dry day other than thunderstorms over the northwestern parts. Much warmer for the eastern Cape, with temperatures making quite a recovery on Saturday. You'll see highs in the upper 20s along the coast, with maximum temperatures peaking in the low and middle 30s over the interior, with a sunny forecast throughout the province. A high of 40 is forecast for Oudtshoorn, with some evening cloud over the southern part of the country, and a high of around 30 in the afternoon. Sizzling hot over the interior part of the western Cape, with many maximums in the middle and upper 30s, and some even exceeding 40 degrees. But with a cooler day over the extreme western parts, Cape Town and Longabon both in the upper 20s. Sunny at 29 for Springbok, with a fine and dry day throughout the northern Cape, a maximum of around 40 for Uppington and Prieska. We head into the mid-30s as we head towards Kimberley and Bloemfontein, with thunder showers mainly over the northern and eastern part of the Free State, as well as the northern and eastern part of the northwest. Things remain dry over the western parts of another toasty afternoon in Vryburg at 37 degrees. You'll also see thunder showers over the western part of Limpopo, with a dry forecast over the eastern part of the province. 30 degrees for Zanin, with a partly cloudy and dry day for Skukuza and Bombela at 35 and 31 degrees, but with isolated thunder showers over the western parts. 27 for Standerton and Emalahleni. In Gauteng, we can expect a slightly warmer day again, with highs mainly in the upper 20s. 31 degrees for Pretoria, with isolated thunder showers throughout the province. On Sunday, we're forecasting rainfall over the extreme southern part of South Africa, as well as along the east coast. You'll see hot weather over the interior with thunderstorms in the northeast, and those thunder showers continue all the way through to Monday, with the possibility of rain along the coast between George and Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely weekend.